Okay, so this is a fun little yoga pose. So it's going to be like a little Jenga for your legs. So you're going to take one ball here, and I like to feel for that bone there. Place that there. And then I'm going to cross this leg over, and I'm going to put a ball right there. Again, try to feel for that little notch, what's called your fibula. I'm going to get this going, and then I'm going to lengthen up. Sometimes I like to hold this ball where I want it. I'm getting a nice stretch in this side, so the right side is getting the bigger stretch right now. I'm going to get nice and tall, and I'm just going to lean with a long spine and fold over this a little bit more. And from this position, just stay here. Feel that you press and wait. Knee to ball to knee to ball. It's like a little Jenga puzzle. So just take a nice big breath and exhale and inhale. So do about 5 deep breaths like that. Take one ball out, the other ball out, and then you're going to reverse and do the same thing, okay? Give it a go. It feels really good, and make sure you always do both sides.